Good day, friends! Welcome to Denson's channel. And today in this video, we are going to present to you the Royal Crescent. The Royal Crescent is a row of 30 terraced houses laid out in a sweeping crescent in the city of Bath, England. It was designed by architect John Wood the Younger and built between 1767 and 1774. Wow! It is the greatest example of Georgian architecture, and it is classified as a Grade 1 listed building. Although some changes have been made to the various interiors over the years, the Georgian stone facade remains much as it was when first built. The Royal Crescent is 150 meters long, and it has 114 Ionic columns on the first floor. Many notable people have either lived or stayed in the Royal Crescent since it was built over 240 years ago. Wow! And some are commemorated on special plaques attached to the relative buildings. Of the total 30 townhouses, 10 are still full-size townhouses, 18 have been split into flats of various sizes, and one, which is the number 1 Royal Crescent Museum, and the large central house at number 16 is the Royal Crescent Hotel and Spa. Currently, the houses and flats in the Crescent are a mixture of tenures. After World War II, when there was a shortage of housing and the city council bought up older properties, including some in Royal Crescent, as a public housing to rent out. In front of the Royal Crescent, you can find a view of the Royal Victoria Park. It is not known whether it was contemporary with the building of the Royal Crescent. However, it is known that when it was first created, it was deeper than it is at present. The railings between the crescent and the lawn were included in the Heritage at Risk Register produced by English Heritage, but have been restored and removed from the register. In 2003, the archaeologists' television program Time Team dug the Royal Crescent in search of a Roman cemetery and the fosseway. The remains of a Roman wall were found behind the crescent, and evidence of possible Iron and Bronze Age settlement in the lawn in front. That's it for today. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, please hit that notification bell so you will get informed on our next video. We hope to see you again in our next video. Thank you very much, and bye for now.